everyone. First of all I may say thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my lesson plan. Today, I will explain a lesson entitled My Daily Activities for Grade 6 Elementary School. This lesson focuses on two language skills, reading and writing. It's designed for 80 minutes using the Communication Language Teaching (CLT) approach and the tasks based on learning model. The main purpose of this lesson is to help students understand a simple reading text, improve their vocabulary about daily activities, and express their own daily routine through writing. So, from learning objective, now let's move the learning objective. At the end of this lesson, students are expected to identify the main of idea simple reading text. Find specific information from the text. Understand vocabulary related to daily activities. Write a short paragraph about their own daily routines and participate actively in a digital quiz. These objectives are arranged from understanding vocabulary to producing their own writing text. So, before students read the text, I introduce important vocabulary related to daily activities. The vocabulary is divided into three categories. The first is morning activities, such as a wake up, brush my teeth, take a bath, and have a breakfast. So, the second is school activities, including go to school, study, and play football. The last category is evening activities such as do homework, read a books, watch TV, and go to bed. So to make learning more interesting, I use colorful picture and I ask students to pronounce each word together. And these activities help students understanding the vocabulary before reading the text. Next, students read the short text entitled My Daily Activity. The text tells the story of a girl named Rina and describes her daily routine from morning until night. So first, I read the text aloud with a correct pronunciation and intonation. Then, students repeat after me. Finally, they read the text individually to improve their reading, fluency, and confidence. And these activities also help students connect the vocabulary with meaningful of context. So, to support the learning process, I use both of digital and print media. The digital media include PowerPoint and LCD project and student smartphone. And then the print media include worksheet, vocabulary cards, and reading tests. By combining the media, students become more engaged and motivated during the lesson. The lesson began with the pre-activity. First, I greet the student and check attendance. Then, I show several pictures of daily activities. After that, I ask simple questions such as what do you do every morning, or what time do you wake up? This question activity student background knowledge and encourage them to communication in English. So the main learning activities consist of two parts. First is vocabulary hunt. Student look at the picture card, guess the vocabulary and repeat the pronunciation together. So second is reading together. I read the text first. Students repeat after me, and then they read independently. So these activities help students improve pronunciation, vocabulary mastery, and reading fluency. For reading comprehension, after reading the text, students answer several comprehension questions. For example, like what is the girl name? What the time she wake up? And what does she do after school? What is the main idea of the text? This question measures student understanding of both general and specific information. So for writing challenge, next student complete a quiet writing activity. They fill a simple paragraph about their own daily routines using a sentence starts. For example, like I wake up at blah blah blah, like I wake up at 5 or 6, then I blah blah blah, I go to blah blah blah. This quiet writing activity helps students organize their ideas before writing independently. So for digital quiz, to make the lesson more enjoyable, students participate in a digital quiz using a word. The quiz include the interactive games such as match a picture, missing word quiz, and messages. For example, student answer a multiple choice question like what do you what do you after waking up. This activity serves as a both review and formative assessment while increasing student motivation. So for assessment, students are assessed in three areas. First, reading assessment, which measure their understanding of the main idea, specific information, and vocabulary. So for second, writing assessment, which evaluate grammar, vocabulary, organization, and mechanic. So for third, participation assessment, which observes student involvement in discussion, reading activities, and the digital quiz. So this assessment provide a comprehensive evaluation of student, like student learning outcomes. So in conclusion, in this lesson, integrate vocabulary learning, reading comprehension, guide writing, and technology-based learning into one meaningful learning experience. By using interactive activities and digital media, students are expected to become more confident in using English, especially when talking about their daily activities. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this lesson plan can create an enjoyable, meaningful, and student-centered learning environment. Thank you and have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.